I'm Ariel, and this is my Cosmic Corner. In today's video, we're going to show how to install CPWI software. This will be able to control your Celestron mounts. All right, so let's get started. And what we're going to do here is download CPWI, which is basically Celestron's telescope-controlled software. And we're going to open up a browser. And when we open up the browser, you can type in CPWI, hit enter. We'll go right to Celestron's page here, which we can go. And that should take us right to the software. And what we're going to do is hit download software. And when you download software, it's going to come up with a window. And as you can see, I previously saved it under my downloads. So at this point, we can just cancel. Just remember where you saved it. Also, too, up at the top, where you got a little download arrow, you can see it's going to show there as well. So once that's downloaded, we're going to then traverse to that folder under downloads. And you can see it's right here. We're going to double click on that to begin the installation. And here we're going to hit yes. And it's going to say, welcome to CPWI Setup Wizard. Basically follow the instructions, and we're going to hit next. This is where you're going to install it, CPWI. It's going to open up a window, and it's going to select the destination folder. Here, just leave everything as the defaults. If you wish to put it somewhere else, you can at this time by hitting browse. But we're going to hit next. We're going to call this one CPWI, next. Create a shortcut. We're going to hit next, and we're going to install. As that installs, you can see it created a shortcut on your desktop. And now we're going to launch CPWI. And we're going to say finish. We're going to close this window. Now that we have everything installed, the next thing to do is to actually plug in your mount by USB to your computer. And what does that look like? It looks like one of these USB type cords. You want to purchase one of those, and the mini part goes into the hand controller. Once that's completed, we're now going to click on the CPWI icon, and we're going to open up the software. The front screen is your splash screen. It lets you know that the software is running, and it has a link to your manuals, and it has a link to your start. You can also wish to do not show this again. You don't need to show the splash screen if you don't want to. So you can tick this box here. That will then disable the splash screen, and it won't show no more. Once everything's plugged in, what you want to do is hit start. You want to go to your connections. You got USB or Wi-Fi. Also on this, you have your Sky Viewer, which basically lets you set whether or not you want to see certain items in your sky map. You have a help section, which again will take you to your manual if you wanted to, and some other options here. But we're going to go to the USB. We're going to click on that. And now it's going to search for everything that's connected to your mount. When it finds the items, it then will show you each thing that is connected. If you do not have it, once it'll time out, and then it won't show anything, and it'll show just your menu of everything that you have. We have your alignment window that opens up. Here's where you're going to choose your alignment method. You're also going to set your time, set your location. Thanks for watching on how to do the installation of CPWI. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more of these, please leave a comment in the comment section on something that you would like to see. Until then, clear sky.